Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're preparing chicken thighs. Now there are in fact a few stages, but this stage is the first step after butchering, where we take the thigh, it still has the bone, it still has the skin. And what we're going to do is take the skin off skillfully so that it maintains its shape and is also able to be used as a presentation piece in garnish. The most important part is not breaking the skin, and what you're going to have to do is carefully move to the connective tissue across the interstitium, and then you're going to pull the fat bits. Now you're not going to take the fat bits off right now. That's another step where we actually trim the fat. This step is all about taking the skin off of the thigh skillfully so that it preserves the skin for when you render it, remove the oil, and then turn it into a nice piece of crispy chicken skin. And in returning to the thigh, we have ourselves the product which is ready for the next step of the process, which is trimming, or if you prefer, cooking, or otherwise using in any recipe as you wish. Do it yourself gourmet folks. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even join down in the bottom. We'll see you next time.